In this video, I'm going to show you how you can send viewer's photo or video on Instagram. Okay, as usual in this channel, we don't waste time, we just dive right into the content you are looking for. Okay, open Instagram. But if you don't know how to open Instagram, assuming you are in the home screen, just tap on Instagram. Or if you don't have the app, go to your Play Store, then download it, then open Instagram. Now select the chat where you want to send viewer's photo. Okay, assuming I want to send to my second chat here. After opening the chat, click the camera button, then choose you can take a new photo or choose the photo icon, tap on it, then choose a photo that you want to send. Then at the very bottom of the screen, you will see this button that's written view twice, view once, depending on your phone. Just tap on the button, then select view once. Okay, then you can tap send. When you tap send, the person will be able to view that photo only once. Okay, thank you guys for watching. As usual, if you found value in this channel, please remember to like it and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this, because it really helps me and you are my people. I love your support. Thank you.